We got started back in 1997. I had just graduated college from a mechanical engineering program. So I specialized in machine design and manufacturing systems. Worked for a company in the west coast of Canada for a few years, and then got the entrepreneurial bug and opened my own company, STI, in 1997. Late 2009, got an opportunity to work in the car wash business, and that's how we got going. I had discovered a whole new industry that I knew nothing about, and I thought, man, I really like this. This is a great environment. It's a family feel to this industry. I got to travel around and meet all kinds of really neat people, work in car washes, hands-on. It was a lot of fun. We learned a lot. We actually made a really important connection that has led us to where STI has come today, and that was with Petro-Canada. They're the largest car wash company in Canada with approximately 250 tunnels coast to coast. They liked the work that we were doing, and they said, Rob, you know, we got this belt conveyor that someone else had designed. Would you and your team come and kind of redesign some of the problems out? So we said, absolutely. They let it run for the summer. They were happy, gave us an order that September for 4 or 5 more. So it's like, okay. So ultimately led us to come to the United States. Our first ICA show was the Nashville show 2016. No sooner had we finished packing up, I got a call or an email from this gentleman saying, how soon can you get us a quote? That led to our first sale in the United States. And then from there, we just grew. We're probably over 250 conveyors in the United States now. And it all started from that show in Nashville. So it's pretty wild. We position it as the highest quality, most durable, longest lasting system on the market. The conveyor belt technology that is currently being employed is borrowed from the automotive manufacturing industry. What we've done is we've built our technology on the foundation that was developed in the automotive industry, but we've added proprietary technologies to help mitigate the effect of the dirt that comes off the cars and creates abrasive wear on the expensive belting and the glide plate components and sprockets and whatnot. So that's where we fit in, is an absolute commitment to the top quality materials and designs for quality, as well as like the innovations to remove that dirt. And I think the results have spoken for themselves. It's gone well, and we're so thankful people believed in us and the technology we developed and the quality we put in each of our systems. At STI, we've been blessed with a very dedicated, very competent, talented team. Just really strong technical people to really good people. But we've really tried to build a team based on character of people. And we've taken some chances with younger folks that maybe don't have all the experience, but they've got that character and the personality and the potential to really flourish. Integrity, in fact, is one of our company core values that is really foundational to all our core values. And that's really means, you know, do what's right, just, and fair for all. And if you were to come to visit our plant, you're going to see people living that out daily in doing their jobs. We've always been a small company. We're up to about 40 people. Since we've joined the Sonny's team, the team has obviously multiplied. By joining the Sonny's team, we've got access to the best people in the industry, the biggest, most successful team in the industry worldwide. That's really going to allow us to showcase the technology we've worked so hard to develop all around the world and to reap the maximum potential from all that investment. So in the end, that's going to create a lot of very compelling and innovative products that customers can benefit from and drive their business forward and give them a huge competitive advantage. They've been phenomenal to us since the get-go. Paul and I have chatted over the years about possibly us working together, and he has a gift for seeing the future, to seeing the possibilities of what working together as a team can bring. And there's no one else like him in the industry that can, you know, see that and clearly articulate that vision. So we're really excited about that. I can't wait to get all these things pulled off and together.